So hello students, today I am going to start the monomers of the particular polymers. So first is polythenes. The monomer of polythene is ethene. Second is polyvinyl chloride. It is also called PVC. The monomer of PVC is vinyl chloride. Polypropene. The monomer of polypropene is propene. Teflon. Teflon, the monomer is tetrafluoroethene. The monomer of nylon 6 is caprolactam. The monomer of polystyrene is styrene. Styrene is also called phenylethene. The monomer of polyvinyl acetate is vinyl acetate. The monomer of nylon 6,6 is hexamethylene diamine plus adipic acid. And nylon 6,6 has a amide linkage, so it is also called polyamide. The monomer of terylene is ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Ethylene glycol is CH2OH, and terephthalic acid is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid. Terylene is a polyester. Bunaene. Bunaese monomer is 1,3-butadiene plus acrylonitrile. Bunaese 1,3-butadiene plus styrene. Bunaene, bunaese and neoprene are synthetic rubber. The monomer of neoprene is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. The monomer of nylon 2 nylon 6 is glycine plus aminocaproic acid. The monomer of PHBV is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid plus 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Nylon 2, nylon 6 and PHBV are biodegradable polymer. The monomer of nylon 6,10 is hexamethylene diamine plus decandioic acid. The monomer of glyptol is ethylene glycol plus phthalic acid. Ethylene glycol is CH2OH, whereas phthalic acid is benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid. The monomer of polyacrylonitrile is acrylonitrile. Acrylonitrile is also called vinyl cyanide. The monomer of bakelite is phenol plus formaldehyde. Bakelite is used in electrical switches, gramophone records, etc. Melamine. The monomers of melamine are melamine plus formaldehyde. It is used in crockery. The monomer of natural rubber is isoprene, and natural rubber is cis isomer, so it is also called cis polyisoprene. Isoprene is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Trans rubber is gutta-percha rubber. If sulfur is added to rubber, then the process is called vulcanization of rubber. Let's see the structure of the monomers of some of the most important polymers. Like structure of vinyl chloride, CH2 double bond CHCl. It is used to prepare polyvinyl chloride. Structure of tetrafluoroethene, C2F4. It is the derivative of ethene. It is tetrafluoroethene and it is used to prepare Teflon. Phenol, C6H5OH. It is the monomer used to prepare bakelite along with formaldehyde, HCHO. Hexamethylene diamine, NH2CH2 it is one of the monomer in the preparation of nylon 6,6. The other monomer being adipic acid, COOH-CH2 COOH, adipic acid. And one of the most important monomer for the synthesis of synthetic rubber is 1,3-butadiene. All the carbon in 1,3-butadiene is sp2 hybridized. So 1,3-butadiene is used as a monomer in BUNA-N, BUNA-S, and the derivative of 1,3-butadiene like 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene, 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene are used as a monomer in neoprene and natural rubber. Benzene 1,2-dicarboxylic acid is called phthalic acid, and CH2OH is called ethylene glycol. These two are the monomer used to prepare glyptal. Ethylene glycol plus terephthalic acid, that is benzene 1,4-dicarboxylic acid, is used to prepare terylene, which is also called Dacron. It is a polyester. 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene is the monomer used to prepare neoprene, which is a synthetic rubber. So students, you have seen a list of I think 20 polymers along with their monomers, and you have seen the structure of a lot of monomers also. So you will be able to solve these 3 questions on the basis of all those structures as well as the monomers. So the first question is, write the monomer used for getting the following polymers. PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. The monomer used to prepare polyvinyl chloride is vinyl chloride, also called chloroethene. The monomer used to synthesize Teflon is tetrafluoroethene. Teflon is used as non-stick cookwares. Bakelite. The monomer used to prepare bakelite is phenol plus formaldehyde. Next question, what are the monomeric repeating units of nylon 6 and nylon 6,6? The monomeric repeating units of nylon 6 is caprolactam, and the monomeric repeating units in nylon 6,6 is hexamethyldiamine plus adipic acid. The significance of 6,6 in nylon 6,6 is that both the monomers contain 6 carbons. Question number 3. Write the names and structures of the monomers of the following polymers. BUNA-S. So BUNA-S is 1,3-butadiene plus styrene, so it is a copolymer and it is a synthetic rubber. BUNA-N, 1,3-butadiene plus acrylonitrile, it is also a copolymer and it is also used as a synthetic rubber. Dacron. Dacron is also called terylene. The monomers used are ethylene glycol plus terephthalic acid. Neoprene. Neoprene, the monomer is 2-chloro-1,3-butadiene. It is used as a synthetic rubber. Biopolymers. Polymers of biological origin. Some of the most important biopolymers are cellulose, starch, proteins, nucleic acid. These are all regarded as biopolymers. They are the polymers of biological origin. Cellulose. Cellulose is present in the cell wall of plants. It is the polymer of beta-D-glucose. It is a linear polymer. Cellulose is not digested by humans as the enzyme required to digest cellulose is not present in the human body. Like the enzyme which is used is cellulase. Starch. It is the polymer of alpha-D-glucose and it is a branched polymer. Starch consists of 2 components, amylose and amylopectin. Whereas amylose is linear, amylopectin is branched. Proteins. Proteins are the polymers of alpha amino acid. There are 20 amino acids which are found in proteins. The 20 amino acids are called the alphabets of protein, or they are called the fundamentals of proteins. By the permutation and combination of these 20 amino acids, more than 10 lakhs different proteins can be synthesized. A normal human body contains more than 1.5 lakhs different proteins. And proteins also act as enzymes which catalyze biochemical reactions. Proteins are very crucial, and one of the most important protein in our body is collagen. The hemoglobin, which is also a protein consisting of 574 amino acid, is present inside RBC, which is responsible for carrying oxygen in our body. Lack of hemoglobin causes anemia. Nucleic acid. Nucleic acids are the polymers of nucleotides. They are also called polynucleotides. Nucleotide consists of 3 components: pentose sugar, nitrogenous base, and phosphate group. Nucleic acids are broadly classified into 2 types: RNA and DNA. DNA is called deoxyribonucleic acid, RNA is called ribonucleic acid. DNA is the genetic material of most of the organism and it is the blueprint of life. DNA is capable of forming its exact copy. The process is called replication. The other nucleic acid is RNA, ribonucleic acid. It is the genetic material in certain retrovirus like RNA, like HIV virus, which causes AIDS. Question number 4. Which is not a addition homopolymer? Teflon, the monomer of Teflon is tetrafluoroethene. So it is a homopolymer of tetrafluoroethene. BuNaS, the monomers are 1,3-butadiene plus styrene, so it is a copolymer, so it is not a homopolymer. PVC, the monomer is vinyl chloride, so it is a homopolymer. PAN, that is polyacrylonitrile, it is also a homopolymer as its monomer is acrylonitrile. Question number 5. Which of the following is not a natural polymer? Natural polymer are polymers which are obtained from plants and animal or from natural sources. Leather, silk, wool, etc. are natural polymer, whereas nylon is a synthetic polymer. There are different varieties of nylon: nylon 6, nylon 66, nylon 2, nylon 6, nylon 610, etc. So nylon is a synthetic polymer, so it is not a natural polymer. So the correct choice for question number 5 is C. Thank you, students. So all the rest part of the chapter will be covered in the upcoming videos. So please solve all the questions from NCERT and related books. I will be giving you all the required questions plus all the MCQs also. Thank you, student.